I've bought and tested these propane fire pit tables so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're camping in the woods or just enjoying a cozy night in your backyard, I've got the scoop on the best options out there. Let's dive in and find the perfect fire pit for you. Product number 1. Outland Living Portable Propane Fire Pit. When I first got my hands on the Outland Living Portable Propane Fire Pit, I was eager to put it to the test. Imagine setting up a campfire without the hassle of gathering wood or dealing with ash. This sleek black fire pit promised just that. We took it out on a weekend camping trip, and I was blown away by how easy it was to assemble. Within minutes, I had it set up, and the 58,000 BTU flame roared to life, providing warmth and ambiance. One of the highlights was its portability. Weighing only 23 pounds, it was easy to toss into the back of my SUV along with our camping gear. The pre-attached 10-foot hose was a game changer, keeping our propane tank hidden away, which made the whole setup look neat. Plus, the included carry kit meant I didn't have to worry about buying anything extra. As we gathered around it, I noticed this smokeless burn was a huge hit. No one had to cough or wave away smoke, allowing us to enjoy our conversations and the beautiful night sky. It felt like a real campfire experience without the mess. However, I did encounter a few downsides. The flames were adjustable, but I found the knob a bit stiff at times, making it a little tricky to control the heat. Also, while the fire pit is CSA approved for safety, you still need to check local fire restrictions. So, why should you consider the Outland Living Portable Propane Fire Pit? For its combination of convenience, safety, and performance, it stands out as the best option for campers and patio enthusiasts alike. If you want a hassle-free way to enjoy a fire without the mess, this fire pit is definitely worth the investment. Product number 2. 19-inch Outdoor Portable Propane Fire Pit by Gaspra. Right out of the box, it felt sturdy and well-made. It's compact, which made it ideal for our family camping trips, and I was excited about its 60,000 BTU output. Setting it up was a breeze. Within minutes, we had it lit and roaring to life. One of the features that impressed me was the grill grate. After enjoying the warmth from the fire, we decided to throw some steaks on the grill. The fire pit easily doubled as a cooking station, making it perfect for outdoor dinners. I loved being able to cook and keep warm at the same time. The lava rock set added a nice flickering effect to the flames, giving it a really cozy feel. However, there were a couple of drawbacks. The fire pit is a bit heavier than I expected at nearly 20 pounds, so transporting it might be a hassle for some people. Also, while the piezo ignition is convenient, it sometimes took a few attempts to get it lit. Why should you go for the Gaspra fire pit? For those who want an all-in-one solution that provides warmth and cooking capabilities, this fire pit is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for family gatherings or camping trips where you want to combine warmth and cooking in one compact package. Product number 3. CA's 21-inch Propane Fire Pit. The third contender is the CA's 21-inch Propane Fire Pit. I was immediately drawn to its sleek design and the promise of a rust-proof cast iron grate. When I took it out for the first time, I appreciated how easily the legs folded for transport. We packed it up for a trip to our local park, and I was thrilled at how lightweight it was despite its robust construction. Lighting it was a cinch thanks to the piezoelectric ignition. I pushed the knob, and within seconds, a beautiful flame ignited, providing a cozy atmosphere as we gathered around. The 58,000 BTU heat output was impressive, easily warming a circle around us. Plus, the flame-out protection feature gave me peace of mind, especially on windy nights. However, I did notice that while the compact design is great for storage, it might not suit larger gatherings. If you have a big group, you may want to consider a larger model. So why consider the CA's propane fire pit? If you want something portable, easy to use, and reliable, this fire pit is a solid choice for cozy gatherings at the park or in your backyard. Product number 4. CA's 28-inch Propane Fire Pit Table. The CA's 28-inch propane fire pit table is next on my list, and it's a real showstopper. This fire pit doubles as a table, which I found to be incredibly convenient. We hosted a small gathering, and it was great to have a cozy fire while also providing a surface for drinks and snacks. The 50,000 BTU output was sufficient to keep everyone warm as the evening cooled. Setting it up was straightforward. I loved the fact that the propane tank can be stored out of sight beneath the table, keeping the aesthetic clean and uncluttered. The removable lid was a fantastic touch. When we weren't using the fire, we simply covered it up and used it as a regular table. On the downside, the fire pit can be quite heavy at over 38 pounds, making it a bit cumbersome to move around. Also, while the ignition system is reliable, I found that the flame height could be tricky to adjust. Why buy this fire pit table? If you want a versatile piece that adds both warmth and functionality to your outdoor space, the CA's fire pit table is perfect for entertaining and enjoying evenings outdoors.
Product number 5. Amazon Basics 14-inch round propane fire pit. Last but not least, we have the Amazon Basics 14-inch round propane fire pit. At first glance, its compact design and modern aesthetic caught my eye. It's ideal for those with limited space, like small patios or balconies. Despite its smaller size, it still delivers a respectable 9,000 BTU output, which is perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. I found the integrated design to be a real winner. It fits securely through umbrella holes and tables, which makes it a great addition to outdoor dining setups. The wind guard was a thoughtful feature as it helped maintain the flame even on breezy days. Setting it up was easy, and its lightweight design made it simple to move around. However, I did notice that the smaller size might not provide enough heat for larger gatherings. Additionally, the flame height adjustment could be more consistent. Why consider the Amazon Basics fire pit? If you're looking for an affordable, space-saving option that still offers a touch of warmth and ambience for intimate gatherings, this fire pit is a solid choice. In conclusion, each of these propane fire pit tables has its unique strengths, whether it's portability, dual functionality, or compact design. Choose one that fits your lifestyle, and you'll be set for cozy nights under the stars. Happy fire pitting!